In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a map of a single state in Tableau. This process will take you just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a Tableau beginner or just need a quick refresher, follow along to learn how to effectively map out a specific state using Tableau's tools. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to launch your Tableau application. Once it's up and running, the next step is to access your worksheet where you'll carry out all the actions needed to generate your map. If you're new to Tableau, accessing your worksheet might sound daunting, but fret not, it's a straightforward process. Simply open a new or existing workbook and you'll find yourself on the worksheet page, ready to begin. Now let's start with the actual mapping by double-clicking on the state field in your data pane. This will automatically generate a map of the entire country, plotting all the different states. But since we want to focus on just one state, we'll need to zoom into that particular area. Next, drag the country field to the details shelf under the marks card. This action enriches your map with regional details, helping Tableau understand geographical boundaries. Now you should notice that your map might be showing too much detail, which brings us to the next instrument, selecting the Pan tool. To do this, find the More Options icon on your toolbar. Click it and select the pan icon. This tool will allow you to easily navigate and inspect different parts of your map. Now we want to spotlight a particular state. Head over to the marks card, click on it and change the chart type to map. This selection emphasizes state boundaries, making it easier to distinguish the state you're interested in. With the chart type set to map, let's filter our data. Drag the state field to the filters pane. When prompted, choose None, which initially clears all selections, giving you a clean slate to work with. After clearing the filters, you'll need to specify which state you want to see. Select the state from the available options and then click OK. Your map should now zoom in on the chosen state, filtering out the rest of the states. At this point, you'll have a basic map that centers on just one particular state. For cleaner visuals, navigate to the Map menu, select Background Layers. Here you'll find various map layers that Tableau can display. In the Map Layers section, you want to uncheck all boxes to remove all extraneous layers, such as city boundaries or terrain, leaving just your single state highlighted crisply on the map. That's it, you've successfully created a map of a single state in Tableau. It's a handy skill for presentations or reports where focusing on particular geographical data is crucial. Practice this a couple of times and you'll have it down in no time. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore other features Tableau offers for visual analysis.